Good morning, Ken at Tortoise Capital with a speed run of the swing portfolio for February 15th, 2020 on daily charts. Alcoa, the run is done, covered long PSR stop targets in the usual way. We're in the spring. Apple cashed. It didn't fail. PSR flip getting ready to start once more, so I'll play the breakout here with a stop here. I will also stop and reverse with a target back here. ARC, watched it enough. This is connected strongly to Tesla. So a low, a low, a low, and now a breakout with a move higher. I gotta put my stop on this thing will be the kind of break even plus dinner for two. Triple short in the Aussie dollar covered. Now I'm just kind of stalking this. This is what I'm looking at now. I'm feeling like that's about right. So I'll play that would be a PSR flip if it came out of here, but if it broke below this, I think we'd be shorting in. Boeing cash to 1, 2, 3 exit. I feel comfort with this. I'm not ready to get long on it again, but I think it would probably look like that. At a minimum, I think that's what the box looks like right now. Caterpillar, we're in the spring, PSR flip, but it's rolled over. Just stalking. Cliffs Natural Resources. It's had almost 10 days of not failing further. So between that and Caterpillar, I'm wondering if that's that fail may be over. So that's what I think that feels correct. I want to go back to Caterpillar again. I think that's correct here. Let's play that. Cut. I'll play this break here to the upside, or I'll go short there. It's survived the spring and approaching summer, so I'm a little quicker to get in than out. Diamonds, that was the tactical short. Probably should have got this one long here. This is my new frame. If it breaks above that high, with that as the stop, I think that's what that frame looks like. Devon Energy. We covered. Still just watching. Don't have a position on that yet. Emerging markets, still spring. I'll play this breakout because the dragon has rolled up, the 30 has rolled up. That is essentially an L. EFA, we got burned on this one. Let's see. Not ready to trade it yet, but that's what the stalking box looks like. Japan. I should have gotten short on this one Friday. So we will If we get any kind, it would have to be a breakout above there, but then a breakdown below that. That's what I'm ready to do. That would be a rejection of the summer. Bracket on Mexico. Swing low here, or the dragon low here, and then a continuation at a second position if it clears. River's up, 270 is up. Yeah, that's when we want to get in, and just starting after the fall. Now this is a summer, so yeah, that's in a continuation up. Brazil, significant pullback to what was a support level and is working. Oops, sorry. So this short, and we tried a second one covered, been stalking, failed to fail further. I like that next leg up. The dragon has started to roll up. The 30 is getting ready to roll up. Yeah, I like that. Home Depot, we got 2 positions in that one. That feels very good, and it's cleared the hump, so off we go. That's where I'll add a third one. The Russell, I'll play this. I'm sorry, that should be there. I'll play the continuation play on that one. Where would I add another position, you ask? I think, yeah, which is this. Yeah, second position there. Got 3 into the real estate and moved our stop up to the 1-day low. Nice defensive play. And a great breakout, yes. And 3 bags full. Coal cashed on Friday. I'm going to give it a day or 2 to recover and reset, but that's what the trade frame is feeling like right about there. We'll see that in a couple days. Long McDonald's, stop here at the fair value. Everything looks favorable. It just has to come out of the fall and resume. Getting ready to test this top over here, so let's put a marker on that one. Any breakout above that is second position and automatically. This is the alternate energy. Long one, stops tight. Triple inverse oil, so that's strength in oil, and so we're betting on the long side on oil, and this is short the triple inverse, so we're short from here. Yeah, and move the stop down to break even. Covered Simon Property Group, then started to resume to the south. Let's play this one as a tight break like that. And if it breaks below this, we're in. Second position would be here. And we'd use a stop on the far side of the dragon. Long one in triple S&P with a 2-day low as the stop. Add a second position if it breaks above the RL10 hump. In the summertime, summer, fall, held, summer. So that makes this a good, that's here. Treasuries, this was the S&P, by the way, just the one I make the daily health check off of so you can see what's going on. Treasuries were got long on Friday with a stop here. I like this pause. It refreshes, held, and rolled up. still in the fall, but starting to calm down and drift higher. Tesla, I just hold my nose and own it. Bought it back after 10 days of failure to fail further. Tested the PSAR and rebounded nicely. Gotta buy that. I had a second position here. I just hold my nose and can't explain it. Natural gas we covered on Friday. Just wait and see. Covered oil. I showed you we just got long the other one, so I think we got to get long on this one here. I expect it'll look like this. I expect that to be the trade. The VIX. Tried getting long, it failed, declined, but I'm expecting a volatility spike. We'll take this breakout with a stop here. Second, third, fourth positions already built in. Long one in Wiz. So it cleared that last exit. Dragon rolled up, starting to work. They've repositioned into some new things, and so we're long from Wednesday and here, and we'll put that stop right there. No, I'm sorry, the stop is here. That was the entry. Walmart, the short had a fractional loss. Now we're long, and one good day in the bank. No lose plus dinner for two. Where do we're going to target the fair value? Where would I put another position in? Right here. Wheat and precious metals, long one from Friday. Stop. We'll go to the PSAR. Add a second and a third position. Win covered the short. I'm sorry, covered the long. That was the 1, 2, 3 exit. This makes me want to be short. So let's pick up the short if it goes like that. Okay. Where would I go long if it breaks above the green line? We're short one in US steel. Long one in XLB. Just started the summer. This has some potential. That's where you add a second, third, and fourth position. Long one in energy, tracking oil. Add a second one if it clears here. Third one if it clears that. Yeah, if it clears this. Third if it clears this. Long one finance. That feels really good. Let's lock in the lowest possible at the 2-day low. Add a second position if it clears this cluster in here. Tech, beauty. Second, third positions to add, stop at the 2-day low. Summertime, living is easy. Back to Alcoa. So thanks for your kind attention.